We'll call her Splash.
I wouldn't dream of it.
MOONBEAR'S PET by Frank Asch. One spring day, while playing in the pond, Bear found a new pet. "Oh, what a cute little fishy!" cried his friend, Little Bird.
What will you call her?
As Bear hurried home, he thought of names like Skinny, Sweet Pea, and Slowpoke. But none of those names seemed quite right. Then he dropped his pet into a bowl of water, and she landed with a splash. "That's it!" cried Bear. "We'll call her Splash." Bear and Little Bird loved to watch Splash swim and blow bubbles. They put Splash on the floor while they played and on the kitchen table while they ate. After lunch, they took Splash outside to watch while they worked in Bear's garden. They even took Splash shopping. Every night, after Little Bird flew home to his nest, Bear stayed up late talking to Splash and telling her bedtime stories. Every morning, Little Bird brought Splash a present: an acorn, a seashell, a pretty pebble, or a pink button. As the days and weeks passed, Splash grew bigger and bigger. One day, Little Bird chirped.
Look, Splash is growing wings. She must want to be a bird just like me.
Bear took a close look at Splash. "Those aren't wings. See? There are 4 of them. They must be paws. Splash is becoming a bear, just like me."
Why would anyone want to be a clumsy old bear when they could be a beautiful bird?
Chirped Little Bird. "Indeed!" exclaimed Bear. "Why would anyone want to be a chirped sack of feathers when they could be a big, strong bear?"
Well, I guess we'll just have to let Splash decide for herself,
huffed Little Bird. "That's just fine with me," Bear huffed back. So Bear and Little Bird put Splash in a tiny pool next to Bear's pond and promised each other not to visit her for a month. "And don't visit me either," said Bear.
I wouldn't dream of it,
snapped Little Bird. Did you have fun, baby? It's time to go to bed. Okay, let's go to bed. Love you. Have a good night.